Hi, Kyle and Bell. Ted from WhatsApp.ph. So it's summer now, so can we talk about yung favorite beach destination nyo? And how does PH here help you in your travel?
Ang init nga po, no? Ngayon. So, perfect talagang beach. I would say siguro Palawan. I love Palawan. Talagang, and also, like, how can PH Care help? Yung, let's say, wipes, it's so travel-friendly. I think it's every girl's best friend. For me, at least, it's my best friend whenever I travel. It's so convenient whenever I'm at the airport or plane. Talagang ang handy niya. So,
Yeah, I would say Palawan also and Boracay. For me, yun yung pinakamaganda that I've been to so far. And yeah, I agree with Belle, the wipes, and also all the variants have a travel size bottle. So very convenient to travel with it. And yung wipes kasi, syempre when you're at the beach, ang dami mong gustong gawin na activities and usually yung hotel room mo tutulugan mo na lang because you're out on the day. So the wipes is very convenient for that.
So for Palawan, El Nido or Coron?
di pa ako nakakakuron po.
Okay.
Next time, kuron naman.
How about you, Kyle?
I feel like hirap pagpili. Pero if you're into seeing mga turtles and if you're into the like marine life and you want to see them all, I would say Coron. And then if you want to relax and just sightsee and visit the lagoons, Nido.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.